An extraordinary opportunity to enjoy upscale penthouse living, expansive views, spectacular sunsets, resort-style amenities, and the vibrant North Bethesda lifestyle and convenience, all in one exceptional location. North Bethesda has been recognized by numerous publications as one of the best places to live in Maryland. Welcome to 5809 Nicholson Lane No. 1505, a spacious penthouse condominium in the heart of North Bethesda, offering truly panoramic views and breathtaking sunsets. From this high-ceiling residence, enjoy sweeping views stretching from Tysons Corner, Virginia, to Sugarloaf Mountain in Maryland, a rare and beautiful backdrop for everyday living. Additional advantages include one garage parking space close to the entrance, one storage unit, in-unit washer and dryer, and a well-designed floor plan ideal for both everyday living and entertaining. Served by Montgomery County Public Schools, with current public sources indicating Garrett Park Elementary, Tilden Middle, and Walter Johnson High School, schools known for strong ratings and academic reputation. Buyers should verify directly with MCPS. The Wisconsin Condominium offers resort-style amenities, including 24-hour gated security, front desk/concierge, indoor and outdoor pools, fitness center with individual rooms for cardiac, treadmill room, bicycle room, and strength, weight room, training, tennis, pickleball, and racquetball courts, sauna, party/community room, elevators, and beautifully maintained common areas. Located in the heart of North Bethesda, one of Montgomery County's most desirable urban-suburban communities, known for its convenience, dining, shopping, entertainment, and access to major commuter route. Near Pike and Rose, offering restaurants, shopping, coffee shops, entertainment, fitness studios, iPic Theater, events, and nightlife. Within minutes to Whole Foods, Trader Joe's, Harris Teeter, Target, Pike and Rose, Congressional Plaza, Montrose Crossing, Wildwood Shopping Center, and Capitol Crescent Trail. Close to the North Bethesda Metro Station, making commuting to Bethesda, Washington, D.C., Rockville, and surrounding areas extremely accessible.